Have you ever felt the quiet pain of realizing you waited too long? The dream you once promised yourself slowly faded, not because you failed, but because you kept saying, "I'll start tomorrow." And one day, tomorrow turned into years. In a peaceful coastal town lived a 28-year-old man named Marcus. Every morning, he worked at a seafood plant, packing fish into ice boxes from sunrise until late afternoon. The job paid enough to survive, and that comfort slowly became his prison. Marcus once dreamed of studying finance. Teachers believed in him, but when his father became sick, he left school to support his family, promising himself he would return someday. Someday never came. His younger sister Lena chose a different path. She worked during the day and studied late into the night, exhausted but determined. Marcus often laughed and told her to relax, but inside, a small voice reminded him he was capable of more. Still, comfort always won. Everything changed during his mother's birthday dinner. She proudly praised Lena's graduation and success. Then she looked at Marcus and gently said, "I know you'll find your way too." Her kindness hurt more than criticism. In that moment, Marcus realized she had stopped expecting anything from him. That night, sitting alone under the dark sky, he felt the heavy weight of 10 years lost pressing on his chest. The next morning, Marcus walked into a small community center and met a retired teacher, Mr. Alvaro. Instead of giving advice, the old teacher handed him 2 bags, one light and one painfully heavy. The small one, he explained, is discipline, daily effort, small sacrifices. The heavy one is regret. It grows every time you delay. Marcus understood instantly which one he had been carrying. He chose to start again. 1 hour of study, 3 mornings a week. The beginning was difficult. His body resisted, his mind made excuses, but each day he imagined choosing the lighter bag. Slowly, confidence returned. Skills improved. His posture changed. Hope returned. Months later, an accounting position opened at his workplace. Marcus applied, carrying proof of his effort, notebooks filled with practice, and a certificate earned through discipline. He got the job. It wasn't a miracle, it was consistency. A year later, Marcus enrolled in an online accounting program. His mother spoke proudly of both her children, and for the first time, Marcus felt peace instead of regret. Marcus didn't become famous or wealthy. He simply learned one powerful truth. Life is shaped not by big moments, but by small daily choices. You cannot erase the past, but you can stop adding weight to it today. Moral: the pain of discipline is light and temporary, but the pain of regret grows heavier every day. Start small, start now, and your future will begin to change.